Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a banana shake. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of cold milk, and a sweetener like honey or sugar. Make sure your blender is clean and ready for action. Having all your components prepared beforehand will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delightful treat is just moments away. Now, let's get blending. First, peel and slice your 2 ripe bananas into manageable pieces. Carefully add these banana slices into your blender. Next, pour in 1 cup of cold milk. For a touch of sweetness, add 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, adjusting to your preference. Blend everything together until the mixture is perfectly smooth and wonderfully creamy, about 30 to 60 seconds. Want to make your banana shake even more special? Try customizing it. For an aromatic boost, add a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you prefer a thicker consistency, incorporate about a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. For a refreshingly cold shake, toss in a handful of ice cubes before blending. You can also experiment with a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg for a warm, spicy note. Your delicious banana shake is now ready. Carefully pour the freshly blended mixture into a tall, inviting glass. For a lovely presentation, you might garnish it with a thin banana slice on the rim or a light sprinkle of cinnamon on top. Remember, banana shakes are best enjoyed immediately to savor their creamy texture and fresh flavor. Cheers to your homemade, refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.